Hello students, welcome back to 1.2 Odd One In, and let's move on further with the story. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category somehow. She felt no joy. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quiet, studious, and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. So students, as we had seen in our last video that both Malti and Rima participate in a school singing competition, and Malti sings very beautifully and melodiously, so there is complete silence in the hall. And as Rima's gang had decided to jeer Malti, but they are not able to do so because of the silence, and when Malti finishes her singing, her principal and all the teachers and students clap for her. So now no one was surprised when Malti won the first prize, as everyone had listened to her beautiful voice, and even Rima had also come first in her category of English song competition. But students, can you see she was not at all happy because of jealousy. So you can see how jealousy is bad. Even she won the first prize, but she was not able to enjoy it. So as the term progressed, means as the term or as the time moved on further, it was abundantly clear. Abundantly clear means very clear to all that Malti was a very intelligent child. She was quite studious. Studious means one who studies more, and intelligent. She fared well in sport as well as in studies. So fared means good. So she was good into both sports and studies. Her forte was mathematics, means that her strong point was mathematics. She was very good in mathematics. And her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Belied means to show something to be false. Means now behind her simple appearance, her looks were very simple, as we have seen still now. Long skirt, oily plaits. So as she was looking very simple, but she had a very sharp and active brain. Nimble means which is able to think and understand easily. And slowly, many of the girls in her class started taking her help in mathematics. And she readily gave help to everyone. She was very happy and always ready to help all her friends. Now, the teacher had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning only. Now, girls from her class also became her friend. Befriended means to be friendly. Okay. Not Rima, but her clique though. They stubbornly disliked Malti. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Okay, students. So now Rima and her clique. Clique means a small group of friends who do not allow others to join them. So, as we have read till now, that Rima's gang was not allowing her Malti to enter their gang, but they stubbornly disliked Malti. Stubbornly means firmly, very strongly. They didn't like Malti at all. They were a stylish lot. Stylish means fashionable. And they were pretty sure that Malti cannot be like them. She cannot be fashionable like them because she doesn't like all that. She cannot be of their type. Alter means change in character, and she won't change her character for them. And they never lost a chance to poke fun at her, means to pass comment on her, particularly for her English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask, her voice trembling. Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? Now, students, Malti felt very bad about their behavior. And one day she was on the verge. Verge means on the way of tears. She was about to cry when Rima mocked her. Mocked means teased her mercilessly. Mercilessly means to show no pity because she said ask instead of ask. So, students, even we all sometimes pronounce the words wrong, but this is not the way to laugh or to mock at someone, yes or no? Now, her voice was trembling, her voice was shaking, and she, in her shaking voice, Malti said that I know my English is weak and yours is very good. So, she asked Rima for help. Please, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. So, students, when Malti asked Rima to help her to improve her English, Rima, in a very worse way, she said, I won't be able to help you, my dear. Exaggerated means in a worse tone or in a worse accent. Speaking, and she also added with that, speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Countrified types means someone who belongs to a very rural area or who is having some rural characteristics. Now Malti's face turned red as she was very angry and she wanted to retort. Retort means to reply, but could not find the right words and she burst into tears. So she started crying and ran off. That was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sain found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it, even to herself. So students, now Malti, when she heard Rima's reply, her face turned red, means she was very angry and she wanted to retort. Retort means to reply, but she couldn't find the correct words and she started crying and ran off. Now all Rima's gang was with her. Now Shehnaz told her that was horrid. Horrid means it was very unpleasant and she was not happy with what Rima did. And even Neha and Claire agreed to it. They said yes together. But Rima was shocked because her own friends had turned against her. They were not with her side, from her side. So she walked off in a huff. Huff means in an angry mood. Mrs. Sain found her subdued. Subdued means not in a good mood. So when she went for lunch at home, Mrs. Sain could recognize that something had happened and she was not in a good mood, but she decided that she was not going to ask anything to Rima. And Rima, she also knew that she had behaved very badly, but she was very proud to admit it even to herself. So students, till now, as we had seen, that Rima's behavior was so bad that she was not even that much good to accept it, that she had behaved very badly with Malti. So students, with this now we end with our lesson odd one in. So you saw students how in this lesson they have shown two types of girls of different nature. Malti, who is very intelligent and very good in studies, but she is very simple and she is very kind But whereas Rima, she is very good in English, but she is very proud of her English. And students, this is not the way to behave with your friends. You should not tease anyone, or you should not laugh on anyone's weak point, or her or his pronunciation or appearance or behavior. You should always be kind and helpful. You should be down to earth, always ready to help everyone. Then only, students, you can be a very big personality in your future. Even you would have seen Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a very brilliant personality, and you would have seen how kind he was. He was always ready to help anyone, and he was a very down to earth person. And you can read many things about him in many of his books. So, students, from today onwards, decide that you will not make fun of anyone, and you will always help anyone who needs your help, and behave well with your parents, with your friends, and everyone in your life. And then only you can reach to success and become a good personality. So, students, till now we saw what happened in the story. Now, your homework is that you have to imagine what can happen next in this story of Rima and Malti. So, students, try to complete this story using your own ideas and write it down in your notebooks. Thank you, students.